Here's a good conversion question. So I have to convert from pascals to atmospheres. So my thing is I've got 1 atmosphere is the same as 101.325 kilopascals, same as 14.69 psi, 760 torr, etc. So those are my conversion units. But I don't have one that says pascals. I've got kilopascals, but not pascals. So maybe I should do that first. Let's convert that to kilopascals. So 7.6 times 10 to the 9th pascals. And I can use that because kilo to pascals, pascal would be the base unit. It's a factor of 3, so that's 1,000. So there's 1,000 pascals in 1 kilopascal. So if I do that multiplication, I should come up with 7.6 times 10 to the 6th kilopascals. Now, if I want to convert that to atmospheres, I'm going to go multiply kilopascals, 101.325 kilopascals is the same as 1 atmosphere. So if I do that on my calculator, I should get that, I'm hoping, the 7.5 times 10 to the 4th. Okay, hopefully that helps.